जज्बा जुनून तो हिम्मत नहा इससे जूझो कहे तो छुए आसमां मेहनत अपनी होगी पहचान कभी ना भूलो सबकी नजरों में पाकिस्तान है पॉलिटिशियंस का पाकिस्तान है करप्ट लोगों का पाकिस्तान है अमीरों का पाकिस्तान है आर्मी वालों का पाकिस्तान गरीबों का Ta-da! Hi everyone, welcome back to What the Sauce.
What the hell was that? Guys,
How
I
was
didn't
the
know
intro?
what was happening. Did you write that or is that a thing?
नहीं, I just came. I was driving back home, तो मैं किसी साथ वाली गाड़ी में जोर जोर से लगा हुआ था, तो मैंने साथ में मेरे वो ईयर वार्म बन गया and I started like वो करते करते जो है ना मैं इधर रीच हुआ और मैंने कहा wow, that's so cool. I just came up with that. It rhymed as well.
Corrupt logo ka. Like, yeah, that's so funny, bro.
Yeah,
Wow.
Pakistan.
Okay. Well, happy Independence Day, everybody.
Yeah. Did you go out to celebrate or something?
Bruh, the only thing that I did today is like तो रात में 12 बजे वो होते ना मैं literally 12 बजे सोने जा रही थी और ऐसी धड़ 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 करके फायरिंग की आवाज आई है I swear to God I thought I was being robbed इतना like मैं उठ के गई मैं सो ही नहीं पाई that's the only thing I remember and then I didn't do anything the rest of the day.
I mean, it wasn't like worth celebrating, so I didn't do anything.
Worth celebrating? Oh, okay. That could be that could be a controversial statement. I like it. We could add it in the, उसमें snippet में add कर देंगे. Dilisha says Independence Day isn't worth celebrating. Guess why? Why do you think it's not worth? Why do you think it's not worth celebrating?
Not worth in the sense that like the thing is like okay, so if I'm being really honest, like Independence Day for me, like जब बचपन में थोड़ा बहुत celebrate करते थे, but as I grew up, we didn't really do anything.
I have a very controversial opinion about it. Basically, Independence Day or everything along the lines of it, I think it's used to हमारा जो है ना patriotism sell करने के लिए use होता है वापस जगाने के लिए and then they use patriotism to get their agenda forward.
Yeah, that's true. I'm not shitting on anybody who does like do it. For me, honestly, I was just lazy. I don't do anything. And like for me, it wasn't like any like it's just like I don't celebrate a lot of stuff like for my like not even like big things. So I just sit at home and do nothing. It wasn't like personal, you know.
Yeah.
So like I don't know. It's just whatever. But like anybody who did, I'm glad you did. You should be patriotic. It's good.
I mean, what did you do?
Do you really want to know?
Yeah.
Basically, I pissed green.
You what?
I pissed green. Green piss.
Wait, you pissed green?
Yeah, I didn't drink water all day. सही है, in solidarity with Independence Day. And
yeah.
Okay, हर बंदा अपने तरीके से जो है ना love दिखा सकता है.
Bro, you're so fucking weird. I don't even know what to say to that. Like, what even? For my country, I did not drink H2O for whole day, and then I pissed green. Like wow.
Yeah,
like, okay.
I नहीं H2O और थोड़ा सा मेरे ख्याल में अमोनिया साथ निकाला मैंने और कुछ नहीं
किया. Okay, I don't need to know the details. It's fine.
This actually reminds me कि what is the best Pakistani movie you've ever seen? In terms of I don't know, तुम उसको divide कर सकती हो aesthetics के लिहाज से like the cinematography and all या जो है ना तुम storyline में divide करना चाहती हो whatever.
Okay. I love how green piss reminds you of movies, just by the way.
Green piss.
Anyways, okay, so I genuinely haven't watched a lot of like Lollywood. They call it Lollywood, right? Or Pakistani movies. Because honestly, there's not a lot of them here. And plus, the ones that are really good are not a lot. So I feel like There's this old movie called Bowl, which I watched when I was like very, very young. I want to watch it now, but I remember that being a really good movie. It was a really good
Yeah.
storyline and had like reality के plots थे उसके अंदर बहुत सारे. And there's another movie called Cake, which I liked it because of like it wasn't a typical like Bollywood wannabe movie. You know, it was a good movie. It was like an
Yeah.
art movie. Plus, I really, really, really want to watch. Dude, have you heard about the new movie that that director wants to release? It basically talks about like Maulvis assaulting children in masjids.
No.
Do you
It's
know what I'm
not.
talking?
It's not about assaulting. वो उसकी है ना. वो model was what she called. Um,
The one who died?
नहीं यार. तुम वो वाली मूवी की बात करिए ना कि एक मौलवी होता है उसकी लाइफ के ऊपर होती है कि द सोसाइटी फाइंड समथिंग बैड अबाउट हिम एंड देन उसकी लाइफ बताते हैं कि व्हाट हैपेंस आफ्टरवर्ड्स.
I don't know. I think it might be that one. But it was something with the Maulvi and like उसका trailer है, but it's just not getting approved by the censor
हाँ
board because of the
ये
Maulvi
दूसरा
वाली
वाली है.
thing.
ये दूसरी है and it
हाँ
got
हाँ हाँ.
approved. ईमान उस मॉडल का नाम है. पूरा नाम मुझे याद नहीं पूरा नाम नहीं आता रहा. she is the main actress
What is it? I can't find.
I
Do
mean,
you know who the Sarmat Khusat? Yes.
yes,
Zindagi Tamasha.
yes. Iman Suleiman is the actress, right?
Yeah, it's her. And I really want to watch it, bro. But it's like, are you sure? Approved
Yeah,
हो गया वो? I
it was
remember
approved like काफी पुरानी बात है. It got approved like 3 weeks back, 2 or 3 weeks back. Yeah.
That's cool. Okay, what about you? What's your favorite movie?
Okay,
Pakistani.
I've seen like the Pakistani theme wali movie से related है वो War and 0 to 1. Have you seen them?
No,
Yeah,
I don't know what they are.
I watched them back. I don't know. They're quite old, like 4, 5, 6 years back, and they were really nice. Then there is another movie called Tifa in Trouble by Ali Zafar. So
Ali
that
Zafar,
was
yeah.
like थोड़ा drastic change आया था. Number one because Ali Zafar did जो उसकी publicity वगैरह है, he did it on a very professional level. बाकी पाकिस्तानी मूवी जिस तरह एक है Donkey King. I don't know if you've heard of it, but Jio अब it's been like I don't know almost a year. पूरा साल गुजर गया है. जियो अभी तक चलाता है कि जो है ना पूरी दुनिया डोंकी किंग देखने के लिए बेताब है. ये है वो भाई नहीं देखना क्या हो गया साल हो गए. तो ज्यादा ओवर पब्लिसिटी भी नहीं की अली जफर ने और प्रॉपर पब्लिसिटी की. एंड द मूवी वाज वेरी लाइक सिनेमेटोग्राफी और एस्थेटिकली प्लीजिंग वाइज जो है ना काफी अच्छी मूवी थी. स्टोरी आई डोंट नो इट वाज लाइक अ रैंडम क्लीशे बॉलीवुड स्टोरी राइट. लेकिन जो बाकी सीन्स वगैरह थे और कुछ जोक्स वगैरह थे एंड दी एक्टिंग स्केल वाइज वगैरह वो काफी प्रोफेशनल लग रही थी. दैट्स व्हाई इट वाज लाइक टेकन बाय Netflix.
It is on Netflix.
You haven't seen it?
Oh,
you should probably see it.
I haven't seen it. No, I know what it is. I'll probably see it. I know the thing is here, one thing that I'm really, really, really impressed with. I remember the first like movie which came, which was like very professional and was like, oh, this is like a movie. Was you know that a movie of the 4 guys, Jawani Phirniani or something like that? That was the first movie that I was like, damn, like Pakistani movie ka mahal hai. Because before I wasn't really movie, there was just like drama. We were like, we kill dramas, okay? We're like experts at them. We put them out left and right, just like Bollywood movies do. You know? But movies were a little weak. So that was the first thing that came and I was like, damn, when I saw it, they went to Thailand, like it was like international wala scene. And I'm like, wow, okay. So that's the first time that I was really impressed. But then and the story was also actually it was like a funny one. It was like a Dhamal-esque Golmaal type like Pakistani
goofy guys.
I really liked it. And like the 4 guys and the touches and the jokes they were really, really good. The one but the thing is, जो नई movies आई है ना अब जो है like there was this Mahira Khan की Superstar and then this Pare Love that the movie जो एक साथ आए थे. The thing with them is that their cinematography off the charts, absolutely amazing. Like it was so good, it was so freaking good, and like the lighting and like even the music actually was really good. But the plot was just not.
Really?
It was just. Like it was just so underwhelming. It was so underwhelming. Like I literally like an hour into the movie, I'm like, if this doesn't get interesting, I'm gonna walk out. It was just so boring and like so cliche. Like I knew what was gonna
I mean,
happen, so I was just like, eh. But I really
yeah,
admire
it'll
people
take
stepping it
a
up.
bit time. I don't know, maybe 5, 6, 7 more years to get on the same level. At least not even on the same level, but like एक platform पे पहुंच जाएंगे in I don't know 5 to 10 years to
Yeah.
produce movies that are not only good in viewing but also the plot or the story is very individual और यानी specified होगा different होगा and not very cliche यानी जो बाकी लोग देखते हैं.
Yeah, yeah. I definitely feel like it's gonna get better. And honestly, there's so
Yeah,
many talented cinematographers in Pakistan that just don't have the budget or like they don't
yeah,
get the recognition that they deserve. Because I remember this is one thing I remember in like the जो नए वाली superstar movies जो आई थी ना उसके अंदर it was just a lot of like celebrity अंदर cameos बहुत सारे थे and there's a lot of money gone into like the
yeah.
production but not really into the plot. So I remember there was like it's like a random celebrities आते जा रहे हैं. I'm like, why are you here? We don't need you here. Like they were just
पता
there
है
just to attract people. You know
मेरा
what I
एक
mean?
कंट्रोवर्शियल
And
ओपिनियन है इस बात पे. हम लोगों का मसला ये है कि
क्या?
चैनल्स ओन दीज प्रोडक्शन हाउसेस. जिस तरह जियो है, जियो का प्रोडक्शन
Mhm.
हाउस है. एयरवाई है, एयरवाई का प्रोडक्शन हाउस है, राइट. जो
Mhm.
एक्टर्स जो एक्ट्रेसेस एयरवाई से एफिलिएटेड हैं, they the airway would be inclined to put them on their movies, right. तो जितने एक्टर्स जो है ना एयरवाई
Mhm.
से एफिलिएटेड हैं वो उधर जाएंगे. जो है ना एक्टर्स अब जिस तरह वो कौन है जीतो पाकिस्तान वाला फहद मुस्तफ़ा. और फहद मुस्तफ़ा के साथ जो उनका एक
Mhm.
क्लीशे बैंड है वो एयरवाई वाले सारे बॉयज जो हैं वो एयरवाई की मूवीज पे आएंगे. जियो वाले
Mhm.
जितने होंगे वो जो है ना एक डिफरेंट क्लास के जो है ना वो लोग हैं वो जो है ना जियो वाले पे आएंगे. तो आई थिंक दैट्स वेरी हार्मफुल कि इंटर लिंक नहीं होगा. न्यू टैलेंट को आने में मुश्किल भी होगी और ये होगा कि जिस तरह जियो वाला बंदा है वो जो है ना एयरवाई वाला बंदा उसको नहीं लेगा. एयरवाई वाला अगर वो है तो जियो वाला. तो दैट्स आई डोंट
Mhm.
नो. आई फील दैट that's a very harmful thing for an industry.
It is. It genuinely is, and I completely agree with that. Like, it's just very annoying. And plus, the thing is, कि, like, I don't like when they like put their money on the wrong stuff. Like, जब जो
Yeah.
irrelevant चीजें होती है ना, like irrelevant roles, they annoy me. Like, we don't need you here. You know, the cameos होते हैं ना, थोड़े बहुत. It's nice कि, oh yeah, he's in this, good. But when एक के बाद एक के बाद एक के बाद एक, like
Yeah.
the whole movie like completely irrelevant, it's just so annoying. I'm like, you literally could have put your money somewhere else. It was just like, oh, एक big celebrity की party है, बस I movie बनाया चला. Like I
I
didn't like
I
seem
actually
authentic.
agree
You know
with
what I
you
mean?
कि तुम्हारी वो irrelevant character की बात है क्योंकि character plays a very important role in defining your movie. ठीक है. एक पाथवे बनाने के लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट
Yeah.
होता है. हमारे मूवीज में ये होता है कि सिर्फ जो है ना किसी ने बोल दिया कि भाई मेरी एक बेटी है उसको जो है ना तुमने अपनी मूवी के लिए जो है ना 2 मिनट की स्क्रीन टाइम देना है. तो वो जो है ना उसको किसी पार्टी में ला के जो है ना उसको खड़ा कर देगा एंड शी हैज एब्सोल्युटली नो रोल इन द इंटायर मूवी. But एक और मूवी है.
Yeah.
I think you should watch it.
Yeah.
It's by Jummy. The movie is called More.
Uh-huh. Oh,
देखना
I've
वो
heard
मूवी
of it.
देखना
I've
तो
heard of it.
तुम्हारा
Yes, yes, yes.
प्रॉपरली जो है ना जो पाकिस्तानी वो सिनेमा इंडस्ट्री है ना उस पे एक ओपिनियन में जो है ना एक प्रॉपर डेंट पड़ेगा वो मूवी देखने के बाद. बहुत अच्छी मूवी है. Yeah, it's very good.
Wow,
It's
is it
very
good?
good.
It's okay, good. That's
थोड़ा जो है ना
it's
मैं
good.
स्लाइड ऑफ करूंगा टॉपिक से. I recently watched
Mhm.
what did I watch? एक जो सन्स ऑफ एनर्की था. दूसरा था अम्ब्रेला एकेडमी सीजन 2. Holy shit.
Oh,
जो
yeah.
यानी I'm not going to get into detail of the plot क्योंकि अभी अभी रिलीज हुआ and it might be a spoiler, but the movie is the series is so good looking. It's so good looking. यानी cinematography वगैरह
It's so
क्योंकि
aesthetic.
they've used so
Yes.
many यानी background जो है ना आपको कभी डल नजर नहीं आएगा. It will be orange, it will be yellow. कोई जो है ना यानी जो पॉप आउट हो रहा होगा ना कलर वो यूज करेंगे एंड इट्स वेरी गुड. लाइक इसकी जो है ना वाइब काफी येलोइश ऑरेंजिश वाइब है जो थोड़ा जो है ना इट टेक्स यू बैक टू आई डोंट नो 80s or 90s and then those popping out colors. I mean that's so good, very good.
I love that. The thing is with Umbrella Academy, I remember when it first came out and
Yeah,
everybody was
yeah.
watching it. Everybody. And I watched the first 2 or 3 episodes and then I stopped watching them. Because, like, I don't know. I don't know. Like, I don't, you know, like, there are some shows that, like, you watch, but then you don't stop watching them because you forget. You
Hmm.
just, like, don't watch them because, like, it's just, like, you just forget, na, like, oh, ye bhi tha, main dekh rahi thi. There are so many shows that have started but haven't ended. Not because they're not good, but like, I just forget to watch them. And there, it's one of those, and I'm just not bothered to watch it back. With मेरी ADHD ऐसी किकिन होती है ना ऐसे shows के अंदर कि मैं constantly अपने phone पे होती हूँ या वगैरह वगैरह. But honestly, I do remember the editing and the like the whole like the क्या कहते हैं उसको जो screen थी
Yeah,
was very nice. It was just
yeah.
like मुझे देख के मजा आया था because it was very nice. I really appreciate shows जिसकी cinematography और backgrounds और वो like
It
CGI वगैरह बहुत
reminded me
अच्छा.
of Jojo Rabbit. उसकी जो तुमने नहीं
What the
देखी
hell is
मूवी?
that?
होली शिट इट्स अबाउट हिटलर
नहीं.
यार तुमने जोजो रैबिट नहीं देखी स्कारलेट जोहानसन और
Ah,
तुम देखना वो मूवी
ooh. Can we watch it
आई डोंट
together?
थिंक इट्स ऑन लेकिन इस तरह कर सकते हैं व्हेन आई कम बैक टू कराची आई डाउनलोड इट एंड वी कैन वॉच इट ऑन टीवी इफ यू कम ओवर
That's nice. That's very nice. Okay, but dude, I really the thing is, I really like wanting to watch like old like classic Hollywood like Quentin Tarantino के or like Martin Scorsese की जो critically acclaimed movies होती है ना मुझे देखने का बहुत दिल चाह रहा है. Like I watched Seven the other day, like एक महीना
यस
पहले.
आई लव
Have
इट
you
आई
seen
लव इट
Seven?
आई लव इट
Brad Pitt. Oh, holy shit. Holy shit. Like, wow. Okay. I really want to watch Marriage Story.
डिटेक्टिव
इसमें कौन है? Adam Driver,
Did you
right?
see this scene? Detective!
Oh my God, detective, bruh, bruh. Like, who wrote that?
Uh,
Who wrote the whole
is it is
thing?
it
Like,
isn't
it's
it
just
Quentin's
so
या
amazing.
उसकी है ना नहीं एक तो क्विंटन है
I
सर्च
don't know
करना
his name.
किसने लिखा है
The director was David Fincher. Fincher. I don't
ooh
know.
okay
Yeah,
that
yeah,
makes
yeah.
sense that makes sense that makes sense
Yeah. But it was
uh,
so good, bro. So
have you
good. I
seen
loved it.
Pulp Fiction
Like, oh my God. I started. Okay, so my cousin's like a really big movie fanatic, and he's watched all of these like old movies, and we were watching it together the other day. Like, and we just like didn't end up watching, but I've seen the beginning of it. I've seen it till the part where they go to the guy's house and shoot him or something.
yeah
I've just seen it till
देखो
there. That's it.
if online if I come back for online classes ना we're
Uh-huh.
getting a USB और उसमें ये सारी movies की एक list बनाएंगे and then we add it to them and then after each class we'll watch one movie
Good, ठीक है. We'll watch. That's good. Okay.
yeah
Well, oh, have you seen Django Unchained?
yeah. I mean, twice or maybe thrice, Django Unchained.
Okay. Is it good? It has
It's
to be good.
very good. It's actually very good. It's very, very good.
Wow. Okay,
Wo-
let's talk about Hollywood movies for a second. What's your favorite, like really, really good, like Hollywood movie?
That's a
Like really
difficult
your favorite?
question. That's a very difficult
Yeah,
question.
yeah.
Oh.
I went there.
Yeah, I might be able to like differentiate. अब मैं actors wise या उसको जो है ना categorize कर सकता हूँ because like there's Leonardo
Acha, okay,
DiCaprio.
I'll do actors wise. I know it's a very hard question. Okay, Leonardo DiCaprio. I love that guy.
Okay, Leonardo. दूसरा अपना who's that guy? Pirates of Caribbean वाला.
Johnny Depp. Oh,
Johnny
yes,
Depp.
yes.
And the third
Yes.
one is Deadpool wala.
Ryan Reynolds?
Yes. Oh, nice. तो
Yeah.
तीन वो एक जो कॉमेडी वाली साइड पे है वो ये दोनों बॉयज है और सीरियस वाली साइड पे आपका लेonardo
Leo.
पापा
Bro, Leonardo's
Abu.
my bae. I love him. I love him so much. Ever since I watched Titanic, he's been my one and only, my boo till the end of day. Like I love that dude so much. Honestly, I genuinely, if he asked me out right now, I'd say yes. I know he's like the age of my dad, but I don't care. It's Leonardo DiCaprio, and I will do whatever it takes to be with that man because he is a legend.
अच्छा मुझे जो है ना उसकी जो मूवी थी द ग्रेट गैट्सबी दैट पुल्ड मी आउट अ लॉट और फिर वुल्फ ऑफ द वॉल स्ट्रीट that is one of my favorite movies Wolf of the Wall Street.
That's good.
It's
That's
like
a good movie.
3 hours long but I've seen it like thrice. I don't watch movies दोबारा बार-बार. मैं कोशिश करता हूँ कि एक दफा देख ली तो I don't like watch it again. You take time out to watch it again. But I've seen it thrice. Wolf of the Wall Street.
I haven't seen it.
और उसकी मूवी You haven't seen Wolf of the Wall Street?
I started it. I just didn't. Dude, I
You're
have really
fired.
bad.
You're
I have,
fired. सिंपल
I
बात
have
खत्म है.
yeah, I get distracted really
देखो तुमने
easily.
पल्प
Okay.
फिक्शन नहीं देखी, तुमने जो है ना
अरे भाई.
यार हद हो गई है रिलेशन.
अरे
that's
भाई
so
तो
sad.
तुम्हारी यूएसबी में डाल देना. देखो तुम्हारी यूएसबी में देखो पल्प फिक्शन होगी.
तो तुम्हारे
और
साथ मैं वो चौथी दफा देखूंगा.
हाँ तुम देखोगे. फिर से फेवरेट मूवी फेक फैन.
और जिस मूवी के लिए उसको ऑस्कर मिला था ना, ओफ यार.
Oh, the R से शुरू होती है. The Reynolds? No. The
Reverend?
Revenist. The Revenist.
Yes, Revenist.
No, not Revenist. It's something else. The Reven. The shit.
Reverend.
Bro, what the fuck is it called? Reven.
The
Leonardo
Reverend.
DiCaprio.
Featuring Nawaz Sharif.
The Revenant.
Revenant.
Oh, have you seen Inception?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, that was a mindfuck. Such a mindfuck.
लियो बहुत अच्छी मूवीज में. जॉनी डेप की जो है ना पब्लिक एनिमीज बहुत अच्छी मूवी है. I don't even have any hopes with you कि तुमने देखी है कि नहीं देखी है. But I'll make you watch it.
Have you seen the new one with Brad Pitt? Like उसकी जो last movie है, Once Upon a Time in Hollywood.
Yes, I've seen it. Very aesthetically pleasing. Very aesthetically pleasing.
Where did you see it though? Where did you see it though? I don't know where to see these movies.
Yeah, I didn't watch it in cinema, but I was in Karachi क्योंकि वो interview वगैरह मेरे ख्याल में उन्हीं time में था. So I was in Karachi, but I watched it on like laptop, I think.
But like कहाँ पे? There's no like platform for it. Like, did you watch it on like 1, 2, 3 movies or something? Like
Torrent boys, we downloaded.
Oh, तुम torrent boy हो.
Yes, pirated.
Illegal इंसान. अच्छा, okay. Have you? Oh, this is the question that I need to ask you. Call me a basic bitch, but have you seen Titanic?
Yeah, I mean, बहुत दफा देखी है, like when we were kids.
Okay, good. Bro, Titanic is the movie that's like the #1 tally. Like that's like the most amount of times I've watched a movie. Can you just guess how many times I've watched it?
21.
Nope.
ज़्यादा?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
And you haven't watched Wolf of the Wall Street?
I've watched it like 53 times.
Holy shit. 53 times.
Yeah.
I mean,
the thing is, the only reason I've watched it that much is because पहले I don't know अभी नहीं आते, लेकिन वहाँ पे अगर इस्लामाबाद में आते थे like Fox channels या Star movies or something, जहाँ पे Titanic would come on repeat.
Oh yeah.
Repeat.
Oh yeah.
Every single day or like 5 times a week. So I just watched it every time it was there. Like I never watched the whole thing शुरू से लेके आखिरी तक, but I've definitely seen it like थोड़ा बहुत ज़्यादा till the end at least 50 times. और मैंने अलग से पूरी मूवी मैंने 20 दफा तो देखी है.
Wow.
Like it's just I love that movie.
जिस तरह HBO है उसमें जो है ना ट्रांसफॉर्मर्स इतना चलती है कि I feel like जिस दिन क़यामत भी होगी ना उस दिन भी HBO वाले जो है ना ट्रांसफॉर्मर्स चला रहे होंगे. I mean, I haven't seen
Transformers.
Guys.
Yeah, the only reason people watch it is because of Megan Fox. Okay, like, and I'm sorry.
Yeah, I mean, Mark भी है, Mark Wahlberg. And,
who's Mark?
Mark Wahlberg का नहीं पता तुम्हें?
Oh, Mark Wahlberg.
Yes.
Oh, that guy. Yes. Okay, I'll watch it now.
It's he's in I think Transformers 3. Yeah.
The only thing I know about Mark Wahlberg is he has like a really nice Calvin Klein ad and like that's about it.
Calvin Klein तो मुझे याद नहीं दिला, तुम्हारी पिक्चर मुझे याद आ जाती है, उसके बाद मुझे मेरा कमेंट याद आ जाता है, उसके बाद तुमने जो वो पिक्चर आर्काइव कर दी. हद हो गई.
Yeah, okay, that's like my favorite hoodie. मैंने इतनी दिनों बाद पहनी है यार. Like the last time I wore it was in uni. That was like my Wednesday outfit. Do you remember? Every Wednesday सुबह English की क्लास से पहले मैं वो black hoodie और अपनी black tights और अपने superstars पहनती थी. ये superstars नहीं, अपनी slides.
But anyways, like, मेरी जो थोड़ी बहुत फेम होती है ना वो आती है मेरे funny comments से और वो तुमने delete कर दिया. हद हो गई.
तुमने मेरे नए वाली पिक्चर पे तो कोई funny comment नहीं किया.
तो वो मैं इतना खुश हो गया था ना, एक प्राउड फीलिंग आ गई थी मेरे अंदर, याद ही नहीं आया.
अरे यार,
so happy, genuinely happy.
Okay, well I think that wraps it up for today.
Yeah, that's it I think. And if you guys have any movies that you would like for us to watch, or I was thinking कि हम review भी कर सकते हैं, and I don't know, we could go somewhere their flow में जा सकते हैं. But if you have any movies that you want us to watch, or if you have any complaints about Dilisha not watching all those amazing movies, please feel free to bash her. I don't mind. मुझे बस साइड पे कर देना और उसको बेइज्जत करना कोई मसला नहीं है.
Oh, I have another thing. If you guys want us to do reviews on shows, then we can talk about shows in our next podcast, like dramas or shows, mostly shows. But anyways, that. But also always remember, this podcast can be found on Anchor and Spotify and YouTube. So if you're on YouTube, go subscribe and turn on post notifications if you want a notification on when we upload our next podcast. And if you're on Spotify, have fun scrolling.
प्रॉपर वो जो एयर होस्टेस वाली वो वॉइस नहीं थी वो तुमने
की है. Time. Wow. Anyways.
Okay. Bye guys.